see in the left hand side two circle, GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot Chat. So you have to install one plugin that is called GitHub Copilot. It will automatically install other dependent plugin like Chat also. So you have to install these two plugins. After that it will start working. So this is the thing I missed. Okay, yeah, that's all only I missed, I think. Yeah, so that is the part. So you have to once the fresh install the Visual Studio, then you have to see many plugins I have installed, .NET like that, C#, like that. You can install GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot Chat. Automatically install Chat once you click in the GitHub Copilot. Left hand side you can see here.